Hi guys, this is Arnold from YouTube. Today we are talking about that Neptune. It's a eighth planet of our solar system. It's the last planet of our solar system also. It's a first planet calculated by the mathematically. This is the first planet. Mm. In our solar system. And I told about in the I make it this Neptune into your two videos. This topic. First one is I cover it in the physical structure and the general information history. And next video I will cover it in the rotation and the moons and the rings of the Neptune also. First I cover it in the general information and of the Neptune. First, synodic period of the um, Neptune is 367 days. It take come aligning with the Earth, Neptune, and Sun. 367 days take. Neptune is the eighth largest planet, eighth furthest planet, and its mass wise we see that it's a third planet. By the size wise, it see that it's a fourth largest. Sorry, diameter wise, we say that fourth planet, and it's a big ice giant. We see that its ice to a greatest ice planet. Mm. By the volume, we can put the um, Earth into 57 Earth in the Neptune. Surface wise is that 140 145 Earth surface we can cover in the Neptune. Uh, we do not know the exact diameter of the exact surface in the exact terrestrial surface in the Neptune. That's why we take that 1 bar pressure where we get in the Neptune, and that place we consider it as the Neptune surface. Mostly Venus is the Roman sea god name, and its moon is also said that Roman sea god sun's name used. And mostly Hubble space Voyager 2 is a flyby in 1987, going to the flyby as a flyby. It's going to the Neptune, get the pictures. And mostly when it go to the 1989, is it sees the southern hemisphere. It's a great dark spot. Mm. More it's a um, it orbits the sun. Uh, Neptune orbits the sun the 30 astronomical unit. It takes 164 earth years to orbit the sun. And I againly told that history of the Neptune. First is Lee Verrier and Adams credited Verrier and Adam credit the finding of Neptune. Mainly Lee Verrier is the main person. In 1846 he found it, and 1930 it is we find it Pluto. uh, Pluto is the ninth planet, and openly told that in the researchers. In 1979 to 1999, 1979 to 99, the orbit is crossed with the Neptune orbital path. That's why that's why we 2006 the Pluto is considered as the reclassified as a draft planet. 2006. In 1992 we find the Kuiper belt in the our solar system. After physical structure mainly we see that the mass of the uh, Neptune is mostly 1.02 1.0 sorry 1.024 into 10 to the power of 24 kgs. Approximately mass wise 17 earth mass. uh, we see 1th of the 19th Jupiter Jupiter's Jupiter mass. Gravity is in 1 bar is 11.27 meter per second. Radius of the Neptune is 24,764 kilometer. Its radius is just 24,000 kilometer, and atmosphere its atmosphere 5 to 10% of its size, but core is get just 20 to 10 to 20% of um, the volume get the core. Pressure in 10 GPa of the atmosphere. Where what are the gases are present in there? Mostly hydrogen. Hydrogen has 80% of the 80% of the gases, and helium is 90%, and methane is 51.5, sorry, 1.5%. Other traces like hydrogen, deuterium, and ethane, methane, and some of the other traces also there. And under the atmosphere layer, we find that ammonium, water, and ethane, these are present in the lower stage of atmosphere, and that we told that some of the news come from the uh, Venus, mostly mantle. We told about the core. The mantle is a 10 to 15 masses, earth masses. Mantle mantle mostly water, ammonia, methane is there. Icy particles will be present in the mantle. For the some critical fluids are in the mantle, the circulations are moving in the mantle, that makes the high electric circulations, which makes the magnetic field of the Neptune at 7,000 kilometer depth from the surface of the and Neptune. uh, we see that there is a diamonds diamond crystals are raining like a hailstorm in that places. This is the evidence to ours. There's a carbon also present in the places also. And mostly in the core the mostly as a iron nickel silicates, and mass of the Neptune is 1.2 earth in the core. The pressure in the core is 7,000 GPa. That means 7 MBAR ன்னு சொல்லலாம், பேசுகின்றது 7 MBA சொல்லலாம். That's all. Temperature of the core is 5,000 degrees Celsius, and Neptune has atmosphere, stratosphere, troposphere, and magnetosphere. Some part of the atmosphere has a get the temperature from the 47 degrees Celsius continuously, because the chemical structure did not emit the radiation out from the surface. So okay, the video is over. I will continue in the next video. Bye bye, see you. This is another from YouTube.